What's up, guys? It's me, Exploding Gamer, and welcome back to Raft. And when we last left off, we were trying to make the smelter, and I've been doing a little bit of grinding to get some bricks, and we're halfway there. But I found this massive island, so we're heading that way now, and we're gonna see what happens. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we can rotate here a little. And the wind's going against us, which is very annoying, but it'll work out. And I'm going to throw all my important stuff in here, so that just in case we die, because this island could be dangerous. Oh, they've got a rock bird. Okay, that means we gotta keep on moving. We'll call the rock birds Ed, 'cause that's funny. He hasn't spotted me yet, which is nice. And we'll be docking in a few seconds. Now. We're on. Okay, so we need to avoid the rock bird, grab as much food, so keep on running and don't stop running, and the rock bird won't hurt you. Ah! He missed its rock. That's always nice. So let's keep on moving. Those are just stone. I'd like something that isn't stone. Like clay and sand, and I dropped my hook. Where'd my hook go? Where did my hook go? Where did it go? No, no, no. That's bad. That is very bad. Uh-oh. It's okay, we can craft a new one. Never mind. We're good. All is good. All is fine. And I think we're out of the bird's range already, which is nice. Does this island really only have stone on the edges? I hope not. We can eat this pineapple for nutrition, because we don't want our food levels to go down. What's this? Watermelon. Good, good, good. That's a boar. That is a big, big boar. We've been seen. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Watch out. It's the Spider-Man. He does whatever a spider can. I hope Karen the shark doesn't come all the way around the island to attack me. That'll be annoying. We should be out of its range. The shark's range. Hopefully. You never know, though, so you always gotta be cautious. Clay. No sand, which is weird. Ooh, no way, a good stockpile of clay. We're gonna be rich. Okay, we need 2 more clay and I think 5 more sand, if not 6. And that's a group of fish, and that one right there looks dangerous, so I'm staying away. Stay away from the big fish, but grab the last of the clay right over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fish attack. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. I'm running. I am running from that. It's like a puffer fish. And it's chasing me. Good. I escaped it. Okay, stay away from puffer fish. Or else you get nipped. I had to leave that one piece of clay behind, which is annoying. What is this stuff? Copper? Copper isn't needed, which sucks. Yeah, copper. Ooh, clay. I'm gonna grab as much as I can just in case we need more, even though we don't, which I'm 90% sure. Which is annoying though, because I can't find any sand. We're out of air. Go. Whew. Yeah, we've almost done a full lap of the island, haven't found any sand. Found some sand. I hope this is sand. Yep, that's sand. And this is clay. How have we only gotten one piece of sand? I don't know though. It's fine. Ooh, that's a puffer fish. There's clay there, scrap there, sand maybe over there. Not sure. I should probably hop back on land. Let's try and just go around this mountain and scale it. Because I saw some glowing lights on the top earlier, so maybe there's something up there, like that trader guy's hut. Oh, weird spiny things. We're in a cave. This is cool. Is that sand? Oh, it's dirt. We need a shovel. Cave mushroom. Great addition to many meals. Oh my god, we found a stockpile! Ha! Ha! Bolts! Oh my god. Okay, okay. Let's throw a bunch of this crap off. Okay, you're gone. I've got enough nails. That's gone. It's 1 scrap, 1 plastic. Oh, metal ingot. Ooh. Glass piece. 1 of those. Gone. Recipe for barbecue. That'll be good. Nail. Maybe palm leaf, I guess I'll keep. Please don't poison me. Okay, we're good. Mushrooms work. And then there's dirt here, but it costs a shovel, and I am not using that much stuff on a shovel. I need all that. So, super cool secret grotto with some stuff. Maybe we can climb this somehow? Somehow, I hope. We're gonna have to go around some more. That is okay, though. I am, however, looking for some sand. So I'm gonna keep going down under the water. Oh, sand. Yes! I think we need... Wait, let me count. So, this is a brick's worth. 3 more pieces of sand? If my counting is correct. Yes! I almost missed this sand. We're almost there. That's a pufferfish over there. Sand, sand, sand. Okay, we've got it. We can do it. We can make ourselves a furnace, guys. We are free from this wretched thing of not having a furnace. I don't know. We're doing things. And I'm excited about it. And there's our raft there, so we've officially done a lap of the island. That seagull's always patrolling our raft. I think it's for, like, to hurt our crops or something. Not sure. I hate it when I accidentally throw stuff. Sharks coming at us. You. Let's leave this island, I say. I knew you'd be attacking. Sharky. Karen. Okay, let's see. Let's craft some bricks. Brick. Brick, brick, brick. They're all drying. Let's... Oh my god, I didn't even notice. I got a stone spear from that chest. Hold up. Yo. We are in a good spot. Bolts are very useful. I'm happy we got one of those. So, what can we've already researched bolts. Let's see what we can craft with bolts instead. Grill. Nah. We almost have all of that stuff. That'd be nice. Let's see. Axe, maybe? Advanced axe? Wait, you can I can craft bolts? A metal ingot. Ah. No. So, axe. Fishing rod, though. I'm gonna use up the metal ingot. Oops, I accidentally collected a crate. That's lucky. Scraps, bolts, that. Collecting all this stuff. Metal fishing rod. Finally, we've got a good source of food, guys. These are big, big upgrades we're making. If we want, we can go there. Now let's pass by. First time I've ever tried to pass by an island. Because we just got stuff to do right now. Like letting these brickies dry. Shark's gonna be gone in no time already with this metal sphere we got. Like, we got a bunch of metal ingots and stuff. That's the pretty useless chest, but here, this is good. This is the good chest. We got copper, we got metal, we got this goo stuff. Got lots and lots of stuff. Smelter. Just 3 more dry bricks and then we're good. And also we've got extra bolts. Ooh. Yes. Metal hook. I am so rich. Metal spear, metal hook, metal fishing rod. This is the best. I'd be rich. Woohoo. Whoa. I heard a noise. It's just that thing collecting stuff. Are these dry yet? Nope, not yet. Come on, dry up, dry up. You know what, guys? I'm gonna cut to when everything's dried up, okay? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, I'm back and all the bricks dried up, so we can finally craft the one, the only smelter. We've done it. Oh my goodness. Place planks in it. Okay, let's grab some things to smelt. We'll start off with metal. Then we can do copper. Place metal ore. It's smelting! Oh my god. Let's go! Now, we will check what is needed. Oops. I always do that. What is it to throw stuff? E? Q? Ah, Q throw stuff. Interesting. So stay away from Q. I'm actually gonna go fishing. I hope this rod doesn't catch big fish. I hope it still catches small fish and just has more durability. Okay, good. It can still catch small fish. So let's see. Is it here yet? I didn't see it. Yeah, receiver's not here yet. So we need to go here. What is needed for this? A circuit board. What's needed to craft a circuit board? Copper ingot and vine goo. Okay, so we can take a vine goo. We need some copper here. Metal ingot. Place a plank. Now you can place the copper to smelt. Woohoo! We are finally getting things done, guys, and soon we'll have the radio. And we'll be able to communicate with other people or something. I don't know. Do something. It'll do something. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Whew. We dodged it. Got it. We're good. I thought we were dead there. Or not dead. Gonna get hit. Also, is there any food? Oh my god, I'm dying. Great. My dumb self forgot. I'm gonna eat some of these to help. Ooh, a big crate. I wonder if the crates are more full than the yeah, they're more full than the barrels. What am I saying? but barrels are always great. I think this one throws farther and has more durability. Okay, so while that's cooking, we can have one of these. We can drink some water. We got the copper ingot. Okay. I'm thinking this. Okay, now we put this in the research table. I forgot to research the vine goo. Learn. Circuit board. Cooking pot. Amazing meals, that's cool. It's not the point right now, though. Bottle can be filled with lots of water. Ah, we're being attacked. We killed the shark. We killed Karen. Oh, so much meat. Let's go. We've probably got another shark incoming. I'm gonna throw this head because we don't need it. We've already got our first shark's head. I'm definitely gonna keep that and hang it up once we have walls and stuff. But for now, we'll keep things like that. Okay, so we can turn this side a little, or not. Maybe I can still reach that with this super good hook. Yes, we can. I'm gonna have to check what the circuit board needs, though. Uh-oh, we missed. That's okay, though. Now we rotate this way a little, so that we go towards those. Oops, I accidentally threw that. Okay, so, circuit board. Battery, I didn't know I got that. 2 copper ingots and 1 vine goo. I've got the vine goo. I think, yeah. I just need to smelt my pieces of copper. My god, we're rich. We can take that, we can take that. We can do that. We missed a barrel, but that's okay at this point. Don't matter. Oops, I accidentally ate a... Dang it, I ate a raw piece of meat. That's annoying. Whatever. Life's life, right? Oop, there we go, that's melted. Place copper, place some planks. And throw this stuff in here for now. And got that. Get those, craft some rope. Hoo hoo hoo! Things are looking up here on our raft, folks. Our next destination is victory. Receiver. I still need the circuit board. What do I need for the antenna? Circuit board. Circuit board is the key. Also, I thought I saw something new to craft for a sec. Yeah, this sweep net. Useful for catching bugs. Okay, so not useful. Basic bow. I didn't know that was in the game. Circuit board still needs 1 copper. We need another island, though, soon. Is that a manta ray? It's because we killed the shark twice, so now we've got a manta ray. Uh-oh, he's gonna be more of a problem, isn't he? Oh wait, no, there's a shark. And a manta ray? We've got two to deal with? I know the manta ray won't bite us, but it'll probably sting us once we're in the water. Okay. Now, we won't take this time to waste, so we will still smelt something. We'll smelt the metal, even though it's not too needed, but everything's needed, right? There we go. Eat that. Seriously? We thread the needle between the two items? There we go. At least we got one. Got that. Grab this guy. Plastic is probably our most needed item right now. Grab this. And all the way over there, we've got a crate to grab. Oh crap. I hate it when I fall in the water, but I'm doing it very often for some reason. Whew. Okay, what am I doing? Craft a circuit board. I can't believe I have to waste it on the research table, though. Learn that, learn the sprinkler, learn that, and a juicer. Interesting. We haven't had a shark attack for a while, which is nice. Ooh, I'm getting a phone call. Okay, guys, I'll be back in 1 second. What's up, guys? I'm back. So here we're gonna have to check what is needed. Ooh, I heard a noise. Okay, safe noise. What is needed to craft the... Oh my god, what's the word? Here we go. Receiver. A bit of plastic, circuit board, and hinge. We can craft a hinge. And then the antenna, we need a bolt. So all we need is 3 circuit boards, and then we're good. Okay, guys, well, this episode's dragging on, so this is going to have to be it for the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is Exploding Gamer. Oops. Oh, and we're being attacked by the shark, too. Dang it, that's annoying. Sorry, my mic glitched. This has been Exploding Gamer, and I am out.